rocket ship. A rocket ship, a rocket ship, silver and white, shining bright. Let's build it now for a starry flight. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV, here we go. Roll the silver clay, tall and long, a giant cylinder, ready to jump into the sky. Pointy fins on the side to help the rocket glide and slide. A bright red cone right on top. Once we start, we'll never stop. Click the fins round blue windows, 1 and 2, to see the stars and the moon. So a big cold engine at the base to take us far into outer space. Fix the engine. We squeeze, we grind, we mix it all. Get ready for the biggest bowl. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Boom! How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV, here we go. Adding the sparkles, adding the fire, flying higher and even higher. Orange and yellow claymation flame. Space is the name of our favorite game. Final touch! We explored, we learned, and now we know. Rocket ship, ready to go. Didadu TV, see you soon.